start. Okay, it's already free, and we'll start with the basic stretching. And I would request all of you who are going to participate can turn on their video so that I can see you, and then we can start. Okay, and meanwhile, if people are joining, so I'll give them the directions, but let's start. We can do it. Okay. So tomorrow it's going to be a cardio, and the intensity is going to be a very moderate one because there are a few people who have joined, and we are not really sure, right, how their current lifestyle is and what are all the things that they are following. Okay, so basic things, just do whatever your body is allowing. Okay, do not overdo it, and make sure you sip a little bit of water in between. Okay, so we'll start with the basic, rotations, and we'll slowly warm up our body so that we reach to an optimum temperature before hitting the main workout. All right. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Let's start with the basic rotations. Okay. Let's start with the wrist. Basically, for the wrist, let's pull our hand slowly and gently. Okay. Hold it here. Downwards now. All right, the next hand. Okay, downward direction now. All right, let's do a basic neck rotation now. Make a round, very slow. Do it 2 more times. And now let's change the direction. Okay, 2 more. And last. Okay. All right, let's do a basic high knees. Okay, a very slow one. Maximize the reach of your knees. Okay, जहां तक आपकी knees जा सकती है, let's do it. Okay, वहां तक हम करेंगे. Warming up of the body is really important because we cannot give a high temperature suddenly to our body, right? So it basically, minimizes the risk of injury. All right. Okay. Few more time. Let's do it for 10 more seconds, guys. Yes. 5 more seconds to go. All right. Let's do a sky reach. So basically, इस केस में आपको आपका हाथ extend करना है. Okay. Raising the leg a little bit. Okay. So you'll feel a good stretch at your obliques. Okay. This is body part में. Okay. Make sure कि जब आप extend कर रहे हैं, then you are pushing your body. Okay. So let's do it for 30 seconds. Left and right, and left and right, and left and right, left and right. Okay, great. Keep doing it for 15 more seconds. Perfect. All right, great. Let's move on to the new one. Okay, that is a 360 degree body rotation. तो आपको basically आपके shoulder के बाहर width पे पैर रखना है, and you need to go down, touch the ground, and make a big round from there. Body को round shape में revolve करना है. Okay, like this, and keep it very slow so that आपको stretching में easy हो. Let's perform few more rounds. Okay. Now let's change the direction. Okay, let's do it on the opposite direction now. And the last one. Okay, let's finish this one. All right, great. Perfect. Let's do a very basic jump, a very small one like this. Jump skipping के type पे करते हैं. Okay. Let's be a little bit quick. Okay. 10 more seconds. All right, perfect. Okay, guys, let's move on to the next warm-up exercise, that is modified jumping jacks. Now, okay, there are two versions. This is a very basic one, and if you want to do the normal one, you can do like this. There is a modified one. This is also powerful. Okay, so choose your version and let's do it. Okay, I'll do this with you. You can definitely switch between the versions, okay? Whatever your body supports, you can do it, okay? Come on, keep doing it. 10 more seconds, guys. Keep switching, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, great. So let's do one more body weight warm up. Okay, that is inch warm. My personal favorite for the warm exercise basically. Okay, so आपको mat की एक side पे जाना है, and you need to just inch, be in a full plank position, and come back. All right. So since this is a basic warm-up, I don't want to modify it to the upper version, but let's keep it very basic, okay? Like this. So, okay, so let's do it for 30 seconds, and then we can move on. Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and pass. I back up my actions. 10 more seconds, guys. Yes, keep doing it. As 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Okay, awesome. So we will move on to the main workout. Okay, there is just one exercise left, and that is sumo squat plus punch. Okay, so आपको basically sumo squat की position slowly जाना है, and you need to punch on the left and again on the right. Okay, left and again on the right. Okay, so let's do this, and then we'll finish our warm session. Okay. Awesome, guys. Okay, let's start in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Squat and punch and left and right and left and right Awesome, guys. Keep doing it. Just 15 more seconds. We'll do. Have some strength in your punch, guys. Finishing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Great. So we are into the warm-up session. Okay. Let's keep a breather for a minute, and I'll show you the next exercise. Okay. You can sip a little bit of water in between if needed. Otherwise, just don't sit. Perfect. So main workout के case में we'll be doing certain exercise. Okay, there are 3 exercise in one set. मैं आपको तीनों बता देता हूँ एक बार में, और हम तीनों एक्सरसाइज को करेंगे without giving much break. एक बार वो होने पे we'll take a break and we'll repeat the same pattern. Okay. All right. तो जो पहली एक्सरसाइज है that is right side extender. Okay. आपको बेसिकली आपके राइट साइड पे दोनों हाथ रखना है and you need to kick your knee like this. Okay. So this is for the obliques. आपके obliques वाले एरिया के लिए बहुत इफेक्टिव होता है and you just need to do it. So make sure you are properly balancing your body. Okay. अगर आप ज्यादा नहीं कर पाते then please do like this and keep a support from back. Okay. This is one thing. Second one is again a similar one, the squat plus trunk rotations. So basically you need to go to the squat and to the left and the right, press to the left and the right as normal squat. Okay. So this is the second one. Third one exercise is basically the normal push-up. Okay. Now again you choose your intensity, but you are free to do a knee push-up as well, like this. Okay. So these are the 3 exercises that we'll be doing in this first set. Okay. Okay, great. So let me start the timing. All right. Okay. Awesome, guys. Let's start with the right side extender and just see me if you are getting confused. Okay. Let's start in 3, 2, 1, and let's go, guys. Come on, keep doing it. Yes. Make yourself feel comfortable. और आपकी body जितना allow करती है, you do that. Perfect. You're doing great, guys. Just few more seconds. You're already done with 25 seconds. Just 10 seconds more. And we'll be changing the exercise in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and change. All right. Let's change onto the squat and the trunk rotations. Okay. Starting in normal squats. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So make sure your body is getting, rotated from the front. Perfect. 15 more seconds to go. Finishing in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and change. Okay, awesome. The last one is push up. So as I said, feel free to choose your level. Okay, I'll change in between, but I'll start with a knee push up. All right, let's start in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Come on, guys, keep doing it. Just 15 more seconds to go. 10 more seconds, guys. Now 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Perfect. Nice. We're done with one round. Okay. I hope you all are feeling the heat now. So this is one set. Okay. We'll repeat the same set. You know the exercises in the form well. Make sure you upskill and last time आपने जितना किया थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा इस राउंड में करें. Okay. Perfect. Let's take a breather for 20 seconds and repeat the same exercise. So if you are already in this journey, आप काफी टाइम से अगर चीजें कर रहे हैं, then just one suggestion that you upgrade yourself. Keep moving, keep doing, and keep improving. Okay. All right. Let's start with the right side extender again. That's starting in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. It's all about balancing and the form. Right? Great. Keep doing it, guys. Keep doing it. Just 10 more seconds. I can see everyone doing their best. All right, finishing in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and change. Come on. Amazing. Amazing, everyone. Let's do the trunk rotations with the squats. Okay, starting in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Let me show you how my body is getting rotated, okay? Squat and turn. Squat and turn. And turn. Three more seconds to go. Okay, keep doing it. Finishing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and awesome. Change. Let's do the tougher one, the push-ups. Okay. Let's start in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. I always prefer to do strength training like push-up in a very slow manner so that it burns your muscles and more fat. 10 more seconds, guys. Finishing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Awesome. Great. Perfect, everyone. Clap for yourself and be proud of yourself. Okay, that you are starting your weekend on a higher note when people are sleeping. Okay, that's what I think every day. So keep motivated yourself. Okay, so we are done with the one set. Now we have another set with different exercises, selected in such a way that you involve the complete body. Okay, so as I said, the intensity is moderate one. Okay, all right. So let's take a 15 seconds breather and I'll tell you the next exercise. Okay. All right. So the next three exercises, the first one will be the bend over row. Okay. Bend over row के केस में आपको थोड़ी सी बॉडी को टिल्ट करना है, आपके नीज को, and you just need to do like this. Okay. Extend your hand till you feel a stretch in your back. ठीक है. आप अगर नॉर्मली हाथ को उठाएंगे ना तो इतना नहीं पड़ेगा, बट यू मेक श्योर दैट यू आर स्ट्रेचिंग योर बैक. ठीक है. आपके बैक पे कॉन्स्टेंटली फोर्स आएगा अच्छा खासा. ठीक है. दैट इज वन थिंग विच यू कैन डू. नाउ से दो तरीके हैं. आप यहाँ बेंड ना करें तो आप नॉर्मली बॉडी को नीचे जाएं और यहाँ से फिर साइड से एक्सटेंड करें. ओके. इट विल ऑल्सो फोकस ऑन द डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑफ योर बैक. ट्रैप को हिट नहीं करेगा ज्यादा, बट यस अगर आप थोड़ा सा एक्सटेंड होकर अगर आप करेंगे, इट्स गोइंग टू कवर योर होल ऑफ द बैक. ठीक है. दो तरीके हैं. Okay, this is the first one, and definitely you can see me. The second one is a right side, left side extender. जो हमने किया, we are going to repeat the same for the left. Okay, because it's oblique exercise, right? We are done for the one, we are done for the doing for the other one. Okay, similar. Just change the side. Okay, and the last one is Superman. So I'll show you this one as well. This is also great for your back. आपको मैट पे लेटना है and while keeping your legs off the ground, आपको हाथ सामने लेके जाना है. Okay, and then you extend like this. Again, go and bring it back. Okay, साइड से लेके जाना है, पीछे पुश करना है. Now again, वापस लेके आना है. Okay, so we'll do it with you, but this is amazing exercise. All right, so ये तीन एक्सरसाइज है. अगेन द नॉर्मल वन, नॉट वेरी इंटेंस. ये हम तीनों करेंगे एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट. ओके, ठीक है. सो बेंड ओवर रो से स्टार्ट करते हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट इन 3, 2, 1. आई प्रेफर दिस वन. ठीक है, इसके साथ में करूंगा. ओके ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट गाइस. Contract your back, guys. Keep doing it. Contract your back. जब भी आप पुश कर रहे हैं पीछे, आपकी बैक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होनी चाहिए, राइट? आपके हाथ सिर्फ ऐसे रिवॉल्व नहीं करना है. ओके, मेक श्योर योर बैक इज गेटिंग कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. ओके, ऑलराइट. फिनिशिंग इन 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and change to the left side extender. Okay, let's start in 3, 2, 1 and let's go. All right, good going everyone. I can see everyone doing perfect. Keep doing everyone, keep doing. You are doing amazing. 10 more seconds to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and change. Perfect. Okay, great. Let's move on to the Superman, one of my favorites. And every time you do any exercise for the back, right, make sure that you are contacting your back. Even in case of Superman, when you bring your hands back, make sure both of these left hand side part of your back is getting contracted. All right, let's start in 3, 2, 1 and let's go. Perfect. Great. One more time. Contract, release, bring your hands back, relax, raise your leg, contract, release, bring back. All right, guys, just 2 more repetitions. And the last one. All right, finishing in 3, 2, 1, and go. All right, nice. I hope you are able to follow the form. Okay, and the suggestions, we are done with one round. Let's take a very little breather in between because it's more about the body weight. Perfect. So we are going to repeat the same exercise. Okay. Now back to back for almost 1 minute 30 seconds, 30 seconds, and then we'll do the remaining one. Okay. All right. Let's start. The left side extender in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. No gaps. Back to back on point. 1 minute 30 seconds. So be with me and don't give up. आप इंटेंसिटी थोड़ी सी बढ़ा सकते हैं. I'll change the exercise in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's do the bend over. Okay? Let's do the bend over this time. Okay, let's start. I can feel a great, stretch on my back, a little pain as well. And that's what it is expected, right? Finishing the exercise in 10 more seconds, guys. Don't give up. So yeah. 5 more seconds, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And move on to the Superman. Come on, let's go. On the mat. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Again. Perfect. Contract. Release. Bring back your hands. Finishing in 10 more seconds, guys. And the last one. Finishing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. All right. Perfect, everyone. We're done with the second set. Okay, let's take a little breather. All right. So let's do one more, 2 more simple exercise. Back to back. Let's increase our temperature a bit. तो हम 30 seconds के लिए jumping jacks करेंगे और 30 seconds के लिए high knees करेंगे. Okay. So 1 minute exercise करेंगे and then we'll move on to the third round. Okay. So exercise pattern is pretty known. All right. We'll do that and make sure you do whatever your body is allowing. Okay. अगर आपको high knees भी simple वाला करना है और अगर आपको jumping jacks भी simple करना है, that's perfectly okay. All right, so let's do it. Let's do it for a minute again, and then we'll move on to the last main workout. Okay. All right, let's starting in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Awesome, everyone. Keep doing it. $15 more seconds to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and change. Choose your version. Okay. Yes. Yep. Keep doing it. Yes. 10 more seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Amazing. Great, guys. Great. You are putting efforts. I can see it. Yes, amazing. अरे सेशन चल रहा है, चलो जाओ. All right, so for the next exercise set, those are the pretty simple one. Okay, you will get some active rest in that. The first one is a high plank. I hope you all are really aware of this. I just want you to focus on your form. I think rest is pretty good. Okay, so this is the first exercise. The second one is the low squat plus toe touch. Okay, in that case, आपको थोड़ा सा bend होना है, you know, not the perfect squat position, but little bit, and then you go touch your toe like this. Okay, तो हल्का सा bend होने के बाद touch your toe like this, one at a time. ठीक है? So this is the second exercise. And the last one is inchworm, जो हमने वार्म अप के टाइम भी किया था, प्लस अ हायर वर्जन अ पुशअप. ओके, ठीक है. तो उसमें भी दो वर्जन मैं आपको बताता हूँ. द फर्स्ट वन इज अ सिंपल इंचवर्म एंड डू अ पुशअप. नी पुशअप भी कर सकते हैं. ओके, ब्रिंग बैक योर बॉडी एंड अगेन डू इट. चूज योर पुशअप एंड अगेन ब्रिंग बैक. ठीक है. सो दिस इज द सेकंड, you know, the third one. ये तीन एक्सरसाइज हम completely करेंगे and there is just one small set for your belly and abs. Okay, तीन एक्सरसाइज वो हैं जो हम करेंगे back to back. All right, let's start this one. You know, pretty simple. Plank, inchworm, and the low squat toe touch. All right, let's start in 3, 2, 1 with the full plank positions. Everyone on their mat. So okay, great. Let's do it. I'll come to see you after 15 seconds. Okay. Keep doing it. I just want to see the position. Awesome. Perfect, Ankur. This time, you know, great. All right. I can just see Ankur on this position because there's the camera position, but that's okay. Let's hold it for another 15 seconds. Awesome. Awesome, guys. Make yourself comfortable. Keep your core tight. Okay, look in the front and balance your body. That's it. Okay, finishing in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's move on to the next exercise, which is inchworm plus a push-up variation. Okay, perfect. So be at one side of your mat. Now there are multiple versions, you know, higher ones. I'm just not telling you, but we can, you know, include some higher and intense versions as well, but that's okay. Okay, so let's start the inchworm in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Yes, come on, let's go again. Bring back your body. Just listen to your body, guys. Don't overdo. Okay, that's all I want to suggest. All right, just 15 more seconds to go. Now, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and change. All right, let's move on to the third one, which is the low squat plus toe touch. Okay, let's not give much break. We'll have a break after this exercise. So low squat position and then the touch your toe. All right, come on. थोड़ा सा आपको bend होना पड़ेगा like this. That's how it will be more effective for your legs. Okay? अगर आप खड़े होके करेंगे ना तो उसका तो कुछ मतलब ही नहीं निकलेगा. Alright? Keep doing it, guys. Keep doing it. I can see. Okay. All right. Yes, keep it slow. Don't worry. Okay. Keep it very slow. And whatever you are able to do. Okay. तो जब आप लेग एक्सटेंड करते हैं तो आपका सारा वेट दूसरे लेग पे चले जाता है, राइट? एंड दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज. ऑलराइट, लेट्स डू इट फॉर 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. Perfect. Nice guys, nice. We'll take a little break, okay? And we'll repeat the same thing, this time with 20 seconds of time so that you do not get exhausted, okay? All right. Let's start after 10 seconds. All right, guys, let's start with the plank position. Everyone did good. So let's do a plank first for 20 seconds and then we'll move on to the inchworm. Okay, come on, let's hold it. Keep your core tight. Breathe properly. And just focus on your core area. That's it. All right, 10 more seconds, guys. Finishing or changing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and inchworm. Okay, come back. Let's do the inchworm for 20 seconds. All right, let's start in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. So 1, just count the rounds that you did. 2, 3, okay, 4, and the last one. I think 5 is good. It took almost 20 seconds. All right. Perfect. Let's move on to the last one, which is the toe touch. Okay. All right, guys, be on a position, low squat position. Let's start. And 3, 2, 1, go. Just 20 seconds. So don't give up and do your best. Now 15. Now 10 seconds. Finishing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. All right. Amazing, guys. Perfect. All right. We are done with this third one. Okay. Now there is just one set of round for the obliques. Okay. For your core as well. So बहुत ज़्यादा आपको exhaustive feel नहीं होगा उसमें. But let's do it, and then we'll move on to the pull down. Okay. All right. Great. तो जो 3 एक्सरसाइज जो हम करने वाले हैं, it is also known. तो पहली वाली में ऑब्लिक क्रंच करना है हमें. हम नीज पे रहेंगे. ओके. हमारे हाथ ऊपर रहेंगे. Just need to turn left and right and left and right. Okay. ठीक है, साथ में करते हैं. Let's do it. So I'll tell you the next one after this. Okay? Let's do it for at least 30 seconds. Left and right. Make sure that you are contracting your obliques, right? जो साइड की हमारी मसल्स हैं, जब आप बेंड करते हैं All right, focus on your core, keep it tight, and just keep doing it. Perfect. All right, we are done with 30 seconds, guys. Let's do it for 15 more seconds. Okay, बहुत ही एक्टिव रेस्ट मिलता है इस वाली एक्सरसाइज में, बट इट्स इफेक्टिव. Okay, all right, finishing in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Okay, so this is the first one. जो second है वो है हमारा bent knee crunches. ठीक है? So this is also simple, you know. आपको मैट पे लेटना है, आपके knees bend करने हैं, and you need to do a crunch like this. Okay? I hope you got the form. So let's do this exercise for at least 30 seconds and we'll move on to the next one. Okay, let's start in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Great, guys, keep doing it. We're done in 15 seconds. And I can feel the heat in my core area now. 10 more seconds to go. Don't give up. Finishing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Okay. All right. Great, guys. To be in the same position, we are going to perform bicycles. Okay. Everyone know it. If you don't know it, you can just see me. Okay. आपको mat पे, you have to lie down and you need to, you know, just try to touch your knee and your elbow. Okay. Like this. So let's do this exercise for 30 seconds and we'll then repeat the same 3 exercise once more. Okay, let's do in 3, 2, 1, and go. Fifteen more seconds to go, guys. Yes. Finishing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Yes. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. So now you all know the form of these 3 exercises. We'll just do continuous, you know, circuit for 1 minute and 30 seconds, 30, 30, 30, and we'll finish the main workout. You know, that's enough for the day. We have burned enough enough, you know, the calories, and we'll move to cool down after this. Okay. All right, let's finish this off, move to cool down, and let's have a little bit, you know, feedback, and we'll close for the day. Okay. So 3 exercises again, guys, back to back. I'll do with you. Okay, and let's finish this one. Let's start with the obliques. Okay, yes, oblique crunch, and then we'll move on to the bend knee and finally to the bicycles. Okay, come on, everyone, on position. Let's start in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. I hope you are all, you know, balancing your body because that is needed, I think, in this exercise. You are done with 15 seconds or more. Finishing the exercise in 10 seconds, guys. Keep doing it. You are changing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 to the bend knee crunch. Come on. Let's go on to your knee. Okay, let's start in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 20 seconds done. 10 more seconds to go, guys. Changing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and great. Let's move the bicycles now. Come on, everyone. Bicycles. Let's do in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. "15 seconds done. Keep doing it, guys. 10 more seconds to go. Yep. Finishing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. All right. It's burning like anything, right? Awesome, guys. Awesome. Just needs practice, more practice, Perfect. We are done with the main workout, and, just feel proud of yourself. Okay. And, okay, great. So, let's do, quick cool down, and then we can just, finish this off. Okay. All right, let's do, 2 or 3 things quickly. The first one is the mountain climber. We have worked lastly on your core. Let's be in this position, not climbers, just the mountain position. Okay. And let's hold it. This is good for your, hamstrings. Do not fold your knee, और आपका पूरा जो palm है, touch होना चाहिए the line. All right, changing in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so the next one that we'll do is, the child pose. All right, let's do it. Go down and stretch your hands. Be in this position. Let's hold it here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and flex. Okay, from the same position, let's do a cobra stretch. Okay. All right, finishing 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come back. Let's hold our toe. Okay, with our ankles, with our legs on a wide side. Let's hold it here for 5 more seconds, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and flex. Okay, the last one. Let's extend our hands at the top like this and push and be on your toe. Okay, hold it here for 5 seconds and you can bring back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come back. All right, let's go again. Slowly. And push. And let's bring back in 3, 2, 1. Great. And the last one. Okay. The last bit. And push. All right. 3, 2, 1, and okay. All right, guys, we are done. Okay. You all can relax. We are done for the day. And if you have any quick feedback or